guys, welcome back to my channel Miss Night Blush. My name is Muskan. If you are new here, if you aren't new, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are staying home and I hope you guys are following all the government rules. Corona is still here and it's only getting scarier day by day. But today's video is actually a full face of K-beauty. Now, I'm going to start this new series called Full Face Fridays, where every Friday or every alternate Friday or basically on a Friday, I upload a full face of a brand's makeup. Like today it's K-beauty. Tomorrow, like not tomorrow, next week I'm thinking of doing some other brand, and then maybe I'll do like a full face of a trend or full face of some hacks that I see online. And I'm really excited. When I asked you guys what was the first brand that you wanted to see for my full face Fridays, a lot of you guys voted for K-beauty. I wanted to go buy these products from a mall so I know my shade and everything, but malls are shut again, so I had to order all the stuff online. Now, I had been to their launch last year in 2019, I think, and it was a beautiful party. I was there for like hardly half an hour because I had my kidney stone surgery the next day and I had to just like go. I met everybody and I left. I also managed to meet Katrina and she's so beautiful. She was very sweet to me. She let me take a picture with her and I had to run, so I took a picture with her. I attended the event for like hardly 5-10 minutes and I ran, like I had to go home. They gave me a hamper of a few lipsticks and whatever they had launched in their first line of products. So yeah, that is the only thing that happened. Like I have been to their launch and I had been gifted some of these products, but most of this I bought with my own money. And today's review is not going to be sponsored. It is not going to be biased. It is genuinely what it is, and this is the look that I created. Now, before starting the video, I quickly want to give you a little bit of backstory on K-beauty. K-beauty is an Indian brand and it is owned by Katrina Kaif with Nykaa, I suppose, and they are exclusively available on Nykaa. Now, some of their products have had really great reviews and people love their products, but some of their reviews are like really bad. So if you search K-beauty on YouTube, you'll only see unsponsored videos that are bashing the products and the brand, or you will see sponsored videos that are just saying good things about the brand. So I wanted to fill that gap somehow and I wanted to do an honest review, not just sit here and bitch about the brand, but like actually genuinely try the products and tell you what I like and what I don't like, if there's something that I don't like. So yeah, that's all I did. Fun fact, Lara shares her birthday with Katrina Kaif. Lara's birthday is on 16th July and so is Katrina's, but that is very random. But yeah, this is the look that I created. If you're interested, then please keep watching, and I'll see you in the end of this video. K-beauty does not have a primer, so I'm going to be using this Too Faced Hangover X primer. This is my favorite primer and I'm especially using this so that I know how my foundation and everything else is working. So I'm going to use a lot of this because my skin is very dry. I'm actually going to use a pore filling primer on my nose and my cheeks because I have some pores. So I'm using the e.l.f. Putty Primer. I just want to say that the lighting in this video can change throughout the video because I'm filming this during a sunset and it's like starting to get a little darker. I'm going to move on to foundation. Okay, so K-beauty recently launched their foundation and I am in the shade 110N, like 110N. So I've taken 2 pumps. I think this is going to be a lot and I don't need so much. Okay, so as you guys can see, the foundation is not covering a lot. This is not active acne, it's just marks. So I'm going to take a little more and see if we can build it up and how it looks. This is what the foundation looks like. It's still not covering a lot, but I like the coverage. I like the feel of it. I think it is looking very skin like. I just wish it had a little more coverage and it would cover these marks here, but it's okay, we'll cover that up with the concealer. We'll move on to concealer. Now K Beauty does not have their own concealer. They do have correctors, but I don't prefer using correctors because I feel like I don't need them. If you have really dark circles, or if you have really bad pigmentation, then you need a corrector. But if you have skin like mine, you don't really need correctors. So for my concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape. As you guys can see, the sun is bright again, and the light in today's video is just funny. K Beauty does not have a lot of cream products. They have powder blushes, they have powder highlights. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my face right now itself, because I don't have any other cream products now. But I'm really liking the feel of the foundation. It does not feel heavy or anything like that. I'm really enjoying the feel of the foundation. Okay, so my skin looks like skin again because it's light. This is the K Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder, and I am using it in the shade Vanilla. This is a brand new powder. I haven't used it before, but I have heard really good things about it, and I cannot wait to use it. This packaging just reminds me of the Glossier. In fact, I'm going to show you in a second. So it's right here. This packaging reminds me of Glossier. I think it was copied. There's no T here, I'm not sure, but this is what the Glossier powder looks like, and this is what the K Beauty powder looks like. The Glossier is exactly same. It has a mesh in between and a stopper here on the cap, exactly like K's packaging. I don't know what the T is here, but these two are very similar. Let's see if they work similarly too, because I really like the Glossier powder. Let's see how the K Beauty powder performs. I'm just going to use it some in the shade Vanilla, and as I said, I have never used this before, so I'm going to take a little bit. The mesh really helps, guys. You don't get powder everywhere. So now I'm going to just make sure there are no creases. I'm going to set right under my eye. My upper lip is the area where I sweat the most, so I need to set that between my eyebrows, on my forehead, and only on the acne marks that I covered with the concealer. Now they do have this powder in 8 shades, I think, which is amazing for an Indian brand to do. 8 shades is exactly the number of shades Huda Beauty does as well, and I think it's a great thing that they included so many shades, and I really like that. Also, this powder is very fine and it went on really smoothly. I really like it under my eye. It very slightly blurred my skin as well. I think I'm gonna like this, but I'll keep using it and I'll keep you guys updated, because this is the first time I've used this. So I like how my base is looking now. I'm going to move on to my eyebrows, because I just don't like seeing my eyebrows like this. Now they do have eyebrow products, and this was gifted to me when K Beauty launched. This is the eyebrow pencil in the shade Chestnut, and this is what it looks like. I have never used it. It was brand new. I just opened it, and yeah, I'm just going to fill in my brows. I'm not sure about this product because it does not have a spoolie, plus it's a pencil, and I hate using a sharpener. It's just like, it is very irritating, because once the sharpness of this goes away, I'm like, I don't want to use it anymore. So let's see how I feel about it. So I'm going to use very light strokes. I think I'm surprised at how nice this is looking. This is not bad. I was really expecting this product to be a flop, but I think it's a good one, guys. I think it's a good one. It retails for $5.99. I don't know if a pencil like that is worth 600 rupees. I think it should have a spoolie at least. Like if you're making an eyebrow product, please include a spoolie. Now I'm quickly going to talk about the eyeshadow sticks because I'm not going to be using them today, but I love them. I have 6 of these, which says a lot because these are, I think, really underrated according to me. Like they should get more credit than they do. They're very easy to use. They're very pigmented. My favorite shades are Bare Metal, Revel, and Plush. The Starry Nights is a very glittery, smoky eye kind of a stick, and this is black, but it has that really nice silver shimmer through it, which looks really beautiful. These eyeshadow sticks are really good, and I'm not going to be using them in my video today because K Beauty is recently, like I think last week or last to last week, launched their eyeshadow palettes, and I want to use the eyeshadow palette with you guys. Like I want to use it for the first time with you guys. I have it in the shade Pure Bloom. They recently came out with 4 shades, and I did not get all 4 because honestly I don't need more eyeshadow palettes. I have 2 drawers full of eyeshadow palettes, and I am not even an eyeshadow person. Like I hardly wear eyeshadows, but for the sake of this video I bought this palette because I wanted to try it with you guys. And when you open this palette, it just screams Miss Meg Blush. Like all these colors are my colors. These colors are all in my studio, and these are such beautiful colors. I am really happy about the palette and how it looks. Okay, so now I'm quickly going to use the shade Biscuit. Now I'm going to move on to some colorful eyeshadow. I think I want to dip into Coral or the center shade. I'm not sure. Let me see. I think I'm going to dip into Spice, and I'm going to put it on the outer crease of my eye, and let's see. Okay, so these eyeshadows pick up really well on the brush. They do have a lot of kickback, like a lot of powder comes off. When I tap off the excess, also a lot of product flies away, but the application is very smooth, and I'm enjoying these. Okay, so the eyeshadow is blended in really softly. This part of my eye looks a little patchy, but it's not the eyeshadow. Every eyeshadow looks really patchy in this area. I don't know, but it's something with my eye. I think I have a dry patch where the pigment just clings on to my eye. It's not the product, but I'm going to move on. I'm going to go back to Biscuit, and I'm just going to put it in my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the last brush, which is like a thinner crease brush. I'm going to take Biscuit. I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. For the glitter on my eye, I really want to use Sequin because it looks like a very pretty color, but I don't know how it's going to apply with the shades that I've applied. But let's see. I'm going to use my finger for this. Guys, this is beautiful. This looks very pretty. Okay, so now that my eyes are looking like there's a beautiful sunset happening on them, I'm going to move on. So, K Beauty does have a mascara, but I did not feel like buying it, so I used my own mascara. Mascara did not have good reviews, plus I did not want to buy any more mascaras because if you know that mascaras are the first products to go bad, like you need to change them in 3 months. So I did not want to buy new mascaras because I have a drawer full of mascaras that I'm not using. So I want to use the products that I have. Also for their eyeliner, they do have eyeliners, and they had gifted them to me, but I think I gave them away or something like that because I can't seem to find them. They don't have a bronzing product as well. So the first thing I'm going to use is their blush. And the blush that I have is in the shade Soft Nude. I got this a while ago, and I doubt this is going to look good with our eye makeup. So let's see how it looks. Use very little. This blush I have used in the past. It's a very pigmented blush. It's a very long lasting blush. It does not make my skin look dry. Okay, so this does not look bad. The blush is a more nude tinted, because of course it's called soft nude, and the eye makeup is very peachy and orangey, so I was scared this is not going to look nice, but I actually like how my face is looking today. I am really enjoying this makeup. Now I'm going to use this highlighter. This is the K Beauty Illuminating Highlighter, and this is enriched with avocado and mango butter. I also want to show you that K Beauty products come really nicely packed. Like there is no chance of them coming broken because they have this spongy layer inside to protect the product. This is in the shade Champagne Fizz, and this is basically a champagne highlighter. They also had a golden. They have a lot of shades in their highlighters, and I was really confused about which one to buy. I am using it for the first time, and this is what it looks like. It looks very wet. It looks interesting, and it is very soft. It does not feel powdery. Now let's see how it performs on the face. Apply it. I'm also going to apply very little on the apples of my cheeks so that when I smile, this happens. I really like that. I never used to do that, but now suddenly I have an obsession with putting like thoda highlighter here and here. It is a beautiful highlighter, but as you guys can see, it is emphasizing a little bit of my texture. Other than that, it's a beautiful highlighter. Okay, so I really like their crayon lipsticks. Now they had gifted me more lipsticks when the brand launched, but I gave them away because there were some shades that weren't looking good on me, but I have these three. This is Publicity, which looks like a red, and it's a beautiful shade, but I'm not going to be using it today. Then there is VRs, which I think I'm going to be using today because it is going to match my eye really nicely. And then there is Billboard. It looks very funny right now, but this is Billboard. I think I'm going to mix VRs and Billboard. This color is literally the color of my lips, so I need VRs. I really like this lip crayon. There was a time when I was only using this lip crayon because it is a very beautiful nude color, and I think it is looking so beautiful with the eye look, and I love how today's makeup turned out. And this is what my makeup looks like today, guys. I am so happy with the way it turned out. That's it for my final look of full face of using K Beauty. I am loving how this look turned out. It is so beautiful. It is so dewy. Even though I used a lot of powder products, like if you touch my face does not feel sticky at all, but it looks so healthy, so juicy. I was so surprised by some of these products, and I think this look turned out so beautiful, and I really enjoyed doing this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it with me. Let me know what other brands do you guys want to see. I think I want to do Charlotte Tilbury next because I do have a lot of products from them that I like and don't like. So let me know if that is something that you would want to watch next Friday or coming Friday in the coming Fridays. And I really like how this look turned out. Let me know in the comments what do you feel about it, and I'll see you in my next video. But please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, means a lot to me. Make sure you hit the notification bell button so you are getting notified every time I upload a video. And that's it for today's video. I am really enjoying how this look has turned out, and I am going to go take a million pictures now. So I'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye bye.